Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on OPPO Reno 12 Pro. Firstly, go onto your home screen, and while you're there, all you have to do is hold anywhere where there is a free space on your phone. So let's say here. Now, here, look for widgets, tap on this icon. Now you can select which widget you would like to add. Let's say I would like to have search bar from Google. So let's add it here. As you can see, I've had it also earlier. So let's say I would like to remove this one now. So hold it and tap on remove widget. Tap on remove, and that's all. You can also change the size simply by holding it and dragging these two dots. And that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.